Alright, so welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus 15. Let's have a look inside this box and see what comes inside the box. Before you get inside, let's have a look at the packaging itself. You have the OnePlus 15 and then the OnePlus logo at the bottom here. Then again, you have OnePlus 15 and then you have some info. This is the exclusively sold in India version. Okay, then we have the model number, the color. I have the infinite black color, and this is 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. You can see some more information here about this particular commodity. Country of origin is India. All right, good. And the model number is that. So whatever else you see in this playlist that's coming through for this OnePlus 15, keep in mind that this is the India model. So let's get past through this. I assume this is for pulling, so that you sort of remove this part, so you can be able to just tear this. This box is so red. I don't even think my camera is doing this box justice. It's so red. Okay, so tear this. This is the seal of, to make sure it's brand new. Okay, so nothing else inside that, but we have more OnePlus branding here. We have number 15 here. Yeah, then we have the never settle wording here. That's gonna be the box, which should carry what I think is gonna be the case and some documentation. Quick guide, that's all. Okay, put that to the side, and then we have the OnePlus phone, black in color. Let's check if we have anything else. Oh yeah, so we have a charging brick. It's a big 120 watt charging brick with type A. I would think that in 2025 this will be at least type C, but it's type A, and that's fine. Okay, and then we have a SIM ejector tool, and then we have the traditional orange color cable, which is type A to type C, of course, because this is type A. Okay, so charging cable, power brick, all that. I'm gonna put all that to the side and remain with this. So there is the OnePlus 15. It's not that big. Okay, I'm gonna put it close to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And it's actually not that far off from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It doesn't feel big in the hand, but it's actually big. Okay, it's almost as tall as the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well. Interesting, but it feels small in the hand. I don't know, for some reason. Maybe it's that texture, maybe it's the shape. I'm not quite sure why it feels small. Anyway, so there's your side switch, power button, volume rockers on the right hand side, and at the top you have this speaker, microphone. You have some antenna bands here. At the bottom we have the SIM tray, 2 microphones. In the middle we have a type C port and a downward firing speaker, and at the back we have this sticker with the IMEI numbers and the OnePlus logo, and then the camera setup. Okay, so that is the unboxing experience, and that's what's inside the box of your OnePlus 15. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching, and good luck.